Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix or download shortcut not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first of all, you have opened the Instagram app, so then you have click on reels, any reels download from here. So then you have click on share, and then you have click on share too, and then you have scroll up, then you have click on our download shortcuts. So this video is download my iPhone gallery. So then you have wait a few seconds, then video is automatically download and go to the iPhone gallery. Then, then he is given a permission, then you have allow from here. Then I will told he's automatically download the video my iPhone gallery. So then I will see in my iPhone gallery video is available two times is download, then second time and then first time same video is download my iPhone gallery. So then you have how to download or download shortcuts on iPhone. So then you have open the Safari browser, then you have click on theme points, open the your iPhone Safari browsing. So then you have open theme points, then you have click on first link. So then you have open the theme points app, theme points link on your iPhone. Then you have click on three dots iOS shortcuts. So then you have click on all media downloader, then you have a scroll up, then you have click on install shortcuts, then wait few seconds loading, and then setup shortcuts next, and then add shortcuts is given a replace. I have already downloaded, you already have a shortcut name or download. Would you like to replace your shortcuts? Replace. Then you have my shortcuts, then you have allow from here. So then you have click here, and then he's given a permission, then you have allow, then you have wait a few seconds, then you have seen my iPhone he's given an update. I will told all verification, so you have update from here, then you have gone the update, then you have seen your iPhone this function you have seen, and then you have click on our download, he's given update, then he's working on your iPhone, then you have get shortcuts, then you have set up, then your our download shortcuts is working on your iPhone 100%. Setup shortcuts, then you have next add shortcuts replace, then you have my shortcuts, then he is allow from here, and then you have proper working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.